This team right here, befuze is in the building. Are you ready for befuze tonight?
I guess right now.
Yeah.
Right now, this whole place is right now. What's up?
You know, we have cocktails in the building, Tomboy. We have cocktails in the party here. Just walk simply to that tent right over there. Grab yourself a cocktail of your choice, any of your choice, man. We got you. This is floral and cocktails. Now, right about now, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, easy. We have cocktails in the building tonight. So many acts.
Our sponsors, IRA Investments.
Yes, sir.
There's XFM.
Shamagero Farm. STV.
Urban TV.
Kampala San, we appreciate.
Lady Skin and Glow for the sexy ladies. I always told you, you have to look good, you have to look nice, you have to look.
Kama Ivan Management, we appreciate you big time tonight. I see Kagwira sports betting.
Instant bets, Kagwira goes like this.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
You just put some money on your Airtel money.
Oh, that's my guy Andy Atale from Booking the TV.
You drop some cash on your Airtel.
Yeah.
And then kati you buy your money on the Arsenal.
Kati
money you kati gereje tuina Ronaldo. Tuizobera mu Audi 2. Usegera kati Arsenal nga yeri mu Audi 7 kuba ne male wangu la chiba. Sio chilala.
Ndi Arsenal kuba mpola. Ndi Arsenal.
Nega timu yo solo jisibira ko sente ku Kagwirawo.
Why? So Arsenal njagala nnyo so giterayo.
Manchester United in the building, make some noise.
Arsenal make some noise.
Manchester United in the building, make some noise. Kagwira bantu bange. Alright. Arsenal. Tujja batulanga express tuwaite. Manchester United in the building, make some noise.
Liverpool make some noise.
Bali babiri.
Arsenal anywa. Arsenal all the way. Gunners make some freaking noise up in here, man.
Uganda crazy in the building, make some noise.
Yes, Uganda crazy.
Uganda crazy, make some noise. That's home, boy.
Thank you for turning up tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. Floral and cocktails, that's what's up. One more time, simple reminder, Twina Cocktails is Avuli Chika, Chizimbe. Tamla Walieri, of the cocktail, your choice, yo. And you know, let's celebrate life and music tonight.
Yeah, shout out to Bex Nation.
Bex a DJ. My G,
shout out to
the business, big up yourself. All the entertainers, it's my all access.
It's my all access.
You know what I mean?
And don't forget to get yourself some crystal water.
Yeah.
You know, it's Bex Nation, Intermedia.
Alright.
You got Hans MCs in the business, Bex Nation.
Shouts also for MCs as well.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen. Let's turn this place upside down right now.
Alright.
Back in it, ladies and gentlemen, the tallest, no introduction. You step on stage, make we do it.
Mr. Humble DJ. Yo, make some noise for DJ Vicky.